Okay, in this lesson, I will draw an emoji like this. Okay. Teach again. After drawing the circle, I will draw the inner circles and half circles. So if you guys are good, you can stop the video and do the exercise. Now I will start. Okay, I'll go back to the main part. Well, in the main folder, you can create a new folder with your name. Okay, what are your names? After that, I will go to the folder to save the new and select the turtle. Draw yes. After that, I will name it. This article is the article. What emoji post? Create. After finishing this lesson, I will draw a circle right. So I will just draw. Okay. After that, I will draw a circle. Large, round 100 hectares. And I fill this circle with yellow. Yellow. I put this in and I draw. Oh, he took it. Hi, right. Hi, I need to go down, but here I will. Go down right, go down and subtract 100 from it. Already. Let's go down and I'll draw something. Already, you guys don't need to fill in this area because it's already filled in. Then now that I'm going to draw beautifully, I'll need pen size. Okay, so the pen size could be here, right? Pen size is about 5. Okay. Well, if you guys like, you can go up to 8 or 10 or something. That's okay. Okay, now it's the 2 eyes. Okay. If I have 2 eyes, I will now have to pen them up. Oh, and I can use that circle. So here you guys can continue drawing. As for the mouth, I'll draw it first. I will go big with my mouse. Okay, and I will also pen up. Go to and pen down right. Okay. So the point is in the middle. Then I will finish drawing, then edit. After drawing, then edit. So here I circle. Okay, so here it's half, then you guys add it here. Go there. And the half figure is 180 hectares. There. There like that. So my job is I need to go back. Going back like that I will be right. $90. Okay. The next one is I'm going to drag this to the left. For example, if it's the left side, I'll subtract it. 50. Except pull over. The position to start drawing. Oh yeah. So you can draw the rest yourself. So draw 2 eyes in which you draw yourself. Okay, thank you.